Mr. Nobody is back again, and to update with the latest accessoire for the GoPro Mission 1 that I managed to get on time. So the Fluid Pro 1, not specific for Mission 1, but interesting to use it. Okay, this quick support to remove it faster from the gimbal, and I managed to get the filter pack for the Mission 1. And the filters that has to go together with the gimbal for proper cinematic videos, and I managed to get as well the underwater housing, which I hope I will use, but it's gonna take another month at least. And then, last but not least, the battery Enduro 2. What I miss, because it's delayed, is the battery charger for these batteries, the microphone, which we're gonna take a while from what I understood, and as well the light. So all this we're gonna take a little bit, but I guess for now I have enough and to play around with, and I will have a talk later on about the first impression that I got by going through the camera itself, what I think about it. It will not going to be technical, it will not going to be about image quality, it will not going to be any comparison, it will not going to be anything like that. Just what, as a normal standard user, I have the feeling about this camera, just going through the menu and setting it up. So I think probably shortly I will post another video. For the time being, I will have to work out with all these accessories, put them away, throw away the boxes, and start working with them as soon as I can. So have, as usual, a very nice day.